Hi, Jenny. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Hi, yes, I'm a junior at UW Whitewater, and I'm majoring in marketing and minoring in communications. And I would say that I'm a very outgoing person and I'm motivated to be successful in my job. So, being in the business world, you always want to be successful and you always want to do things to help yourself and the success of a company. And I think that I can really help out with your company by doing that because I'm motivated, I am driven to be successful, and I think I have a lot of great qualities that you're looking for.
All right. Why are you interested in this job or internship that you're seeking?
Well, I really like the marketing communication side of the marketing. I'm not much into the sales side, so when I saw that this was a marketing communications internship, I really wanted to look more into it. So, with my past work experience working for a personalized learning company, I am the marketing intern and I implement all the social media. I write blog posts and I do a lot of content development with our website. And so, a lot of these qualities and skills that I have with my previous internship, I think I could use and build my knowledge on for this internship with you guys. So, I really think that my skills that I have now could be beneficial for your company.
All right. And speaking of those skills, what are a few of your strengths?
I would say a lot of my strengths would be being a good communicator. I work well as a team, and I think those two come together because in a marketing department, you want to bounce off ideas with each other, and I think being a good communicator really helps with that. Also, I pay attention to detail, I meet deadlines, and I always want to work 100% of my effort. So I think those qualities all would be a good candidate for your position.
And then what would you consider to be an area of weakness?
I'd say one weakness that I have that I'm working on is prioritizing what I need to do on a day-to-day basis. So sometimes I'll start a project with my job and then I'll realize that there's another thing that I need to do. So I'll stop doing that and I'll do something else. And at the end of the day, I have some projects that I probably should have spent more time on versus other things. So with that, to help with that, I actually created an Excel sheet where my managers and my boss has available to it as well, where they can write comments and give me feedback on what I'm doing, what needs to be done, and what projects I have finished. So that just helps me stay organized, and I can look at it day to day to see what I need to be doing, what I'm doing, and what projects I have completed.
And then tell me about the most successful team you've been a part of. What made the team successful and what role did you play in making it a success?
Okay, well, last semester I studied abroad and the schooling there is a lot different than it is here. So, pretty much every class we had was a group project that related 60 to 70% of our final grade. So, it was a very important project that we needed to be doing. So, this project was actually making your own marketing communications plan from start to finish with just a product, and that's the only direction you're given. So it was really cool to use your creative side and work as a team to complete a whole plan, which we got to design on our own. So the stuff that I helped out with a lot was more the visual and digital side of it. So I created our flyer that we used to make it, and I created a lot of our visual aspects of it while we all worked as a team to complete the final goal. So it was really nice to see that all of our hard work was put into a really great plan that we got to showcase.
All right, tell me about a conflict you've had in the past. It could be a group member you worked with, a coworker, a boss, a customer, or even a roommate. What did you specifically do to try and resolve the problem?
All right. Well, I live with 7 other girls, and even though it's one of the best things that I've done in college, I live with all my best friends, there also comes issues. So I think our biggest issue is making sure that our house stays clean and tidy. So from leaving dishes in the sink or not picking up stuff in the bathroom or just having the house be messy, it's kind of hard for us to determine who did what or what messes are created and how we need to fix it. So I think the best thing to do in that situation is just be good at communicating with all of your roommates and making sure that everyone has their own part in our house to make sure it stays clean. So to do that, we've made a calendar of who does what on a weekly basis just to make sure that our house stays clean and tidy because 8 girls is a lot.
All right, good. What motivates you to put forth your greatest effort?
With that, I think being the first one to graduate with a college degree for my family makes me motivated to do well, get good grades, land a good internship, and hopefully get a full-time job right after college. My mom really is a hard worker and she pushes me a lot. So it definitely helps, keeps me motivated to be successful.
And then why should I hire you?
I think with my past experiences being with a marketing intern and doing a lot of the digital media aspects of it, with implementing social media, writing blog posts, and helping out with web development, which is all the qualities that you're looking for, I think I could be a great asset to your team. I'm a good communicator. I'm a great team player. I have a lot of ideas that I'd love to share and overall just help be a success with your company.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.